How's the garden, Professor?
Extraordinary! The zucchini is zesty and the strawberries are stupendous. Wait, what's going on? Whoa, wow!
Are you okay?
I'm great! Fresh food is fabulous and refreshing. Hey, lunch labbers! It's a real busy day around here. Henry and Avril have been out in the garden getting ready for a big surprise. I just wish I knew what it was.
And just where do you think you're going?
Well, I just thought I'd take a peek out in the garden and...
Negatory! You'll stay right here and like it!
No, I'm just not very good at sitting still.
Take it easy, sir! That's an order!
All right.
Happy birthday, Professor.
That's right! Happy birthday, sir!
Thanks, guys.
All right, corn, got it. What's next?
Let's see. Oh, red onions.
Wow, this recipe's crazy.
I know. Professor Fizzy's mom said it was his favorite.
Well, it sure has a lot of ingredients. Whoa! What's next?
Let's see. Basil.
Basil? What's that?
Let's check the herb garden.
Race ya!
Hey, no fair! Wait up!
That's it! I know I'm supposed to wait, but I can't take it anymore!
Surprise!
Totally jalapenos!
And where were you headed, Professor Fizzy?
Who, me? I wasn't going anywhere.
Happy birthday, Professor Fizzy!
Yeah! Happy birthday, Professor Fizzy!
Wow, thanks, kids. Did all of this come from our home garden?
Yep! Check out all these veggies.
Say, if I didn't know any better, I'd say those are the exact ingredients for my mom's veggie super summer saute.
Yep, we got the recipe from Mama Fizzy herself. Check it out.
My favorite. Kids, I don't know what to say, except let's cook.
Let's do it.
Yeah!
Super Summer Saute!
Lunch labbers, this was the best birthday ever.
Man, I can't wait to plant a garden in my own backyard.
And don't forget, apple butter frosting cupcakes for dessert, courtesy of Mama Fizzy.
Yay! Hey, Mixie, show the professor his video birthday card.
Oh, yeah, I almost forgot.
Dear son, happy birthday. You'll always be our squishy little bunny wabbit. Love Mama and Papa Fizzy. P.S. Toodaloo! Oh, boy.
Professor Bunny Wabbit.
Let's turn that off now, Mixie-Bot, huh?
Bunny Wabbit!
From inside the most famous laboratory in the world, it's Lunch Lab Live with your host, Professor Fizzy.
Welcome back, ladies and lads, to another Lunch Lab Live. Our guest today goes great with just about anything. Give it up for the lovely Bella Basil.
Ciao!
Wow, Bella, what is that lovely perfume you're wearing?
It's no perfume, Professor. I am basil, a sweet, aromatic herb.
That's right, I forgot. Most of you herbs smell great. Bella, you appear in dishes all over the globe, but we want to know more.
Well, I grew up in a small house outside the city.
Sounds lovely. Where were you planted? The backyard or the front yard?
Neither. I grew up in a window box. Like this. See? This is me and my sisters, Maria Mint and Olivia Oregano.
Wow! Well, your house must have smelled amazing.
Oh, it did.
And were you difficult to grow?
Are you kidding? Growing herbs is easy, Professor. Just put us in some soil, give us sun and lots of water, and we grow just fine.
Wow! Who knew that growing your own food at home could be so easy?
It is. Fresh herbs like me and my sisters, we make any meal that much better.
Wow, Bella, you've won our hearts and our taste buds.
Sí, naturalmente.
Any last words for our audience?
Yes, everyone, go plant some fruit, veggies, or herbs. You'll have so much fun and great food, too.
Join us next time, everybody, for another episode of Lunch Lab Live.
Ciao!
Henry, I promise. Asparagus is really good.
No, I hate it.
Oh, you always say you hate something before you try it.
This is squash? I thought I hated squash. No, this is tuna? I thought I hated tuna. Ugh, fine. Wait, this is asparagus?
Get a packet of seeds, dig a hole, put the seeds in the dirt. A little bit of water, a lot of TLC. Tomato sprouts coming up from the earth. A little more water, a bunch of sunshine. Down in the dirt, nature at work. Here he comes, a tomatoey friend. When he's good and ripe, you can pick him. Oh, 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 let me tell you so you know. It's so easy to grow a tomato. Tomato adventure from seed to plant. So easy to do, taste excellent. If you got a yard and you got the time, grow a tomato, give it a try. Oh, whoa, whoa, let me tell you so you know. It's so easy to grow a tomato. It's so easy to grow a tomato. Or a zucchini, or a squash, or a pumpkin, or a potato, or a carrot. Anything.
For videos, games, recipes, and more, go to lunchlab.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to never miss a video.